Think about that feeling after a meal. We've all been there, right? You've just finished eating, maybe it was a delicious lunch or a satisfying dinner. But then, that familiar tightness and bloating creeps in, that uncomfortable sensation in your abdomen. It's a feeling many of us know all too well. Suddenly your clothes feel snug, almost restrictive, and your energy takes a noticeable dip. That post-meal slump hits hard, leaving you feeling sluggish and wanting nothing more than a nap. You might even find yourself strategically planning your outfits around this discomfort, opting for looser clothes that won't exacerbate the bloating. It's so common that many people end up accepting it as a normal, unavoidable part of eating, just something you have to deal with. But this isn't just a minor inconvenience or a fleeting moment of discomfort, it's more significant than that. It's your body sending you signals, trying to communicate that something's not quite right, that something's off balance within your system. And it's not just the bloating. Alongside the digestive issues, maybe your skin looks dull, lacking its usual radiance, or you're experiencing unexpected breakouts. You might be diligently applying all sorts of creams and serums, hoping to improve your complexion, but nothing seems to make a lasting difference. Remember, your skin is a mirror, a reflection of what's happening inside your body. It's a direct indicator of your internal health and well-being, showcasing the effects of your diet, lifestyle, and overall balance. And let's not forget about the brain fog, that frustrating feeling of mental cloudiness. You find yourself struggling to focus on tasks, your thoughts feel scattered, and you experience a significant loss of energy by mid-afternoon, making it difficult to stay productive. It's easy to blame it all on a busy and demanding life, attributing these symptoms to stress and lack of sleep. These seemingly disparate symptoms, bloating and digestive upset, persistent skin issues and irritations, and that persistent brain fog, aren't just random, isolated occurrences. They're interconnected pieces of a much bigger puzzle, all pointing towards a common underlying issue. Traditionally, we're taught to address each of these problems separately, focusing on individual treatments for each symptom. We reach for antacids to relieve the bloating and discomfort, apply specialized creams and treatments to combat skin problems, and rely on caffeine to push through the fatigue and brain fog, but that approach only masks the symptoms temporarily, providing a superficial fix. It doesn't address the root cause of the problem, the underlying imbalance that's triggering all these issues in the first place. So, what if all these seemingly unrelated issues actually stem from the same underlying problem, a single root cause that's affecting your entire system? By truly understanding this connection, by recognizing how these symptoms are linked, you can address them all at once, holistically, with simple yet powerful changes to your diet and lifestyle. Many people experience a range of uncomfortable symptoms, from persistent digestive issues to unexplained fatigue. Often, these seemingly unrelated complaints share a common root cause. At the core of these complaints is chronic, low-grade inflammation. It's a silent disruptor, often unseen and unfelt in its early stages, yet it quietly undermines your well-being. This type of inflammation isn't always obvious, making it even more insidious. Inflammation isn't inherently bad. In fact, it's a vital part of your body's natural defense system. It is helpful when healing a cut, signaling your immune system to repair damaged tissue. But when it lingers, becoming chronic, it quietly disrupts your body's systems, throwing everything off balance. This constant state of alert within your body is often triggered by modern life specifically, the abundance of processed foods, the ever-present stress, the pervasive poor sleep, and the increasingly common inactivity that defines our days. Over time, this persistent inflammation, simmering beneath the surface, leads to a cascade of health problems, including digestive distress, frustrating skin problems, and debilitating fatigue. Often, though not always, it starts in your gut, the very core of your being. When your gut lining is compromised, weakened, and vulnerable, leading to what's commonly called leaky gut, a condition where the gut's protective barrier is no longer intact, toxins and microbes, which should remain contained within your digestive system, slip into your bloodstream, immediately sparking inflammation as your immune system reacts to these foreign invaders. This creates a vicious cycle, a self-perpetuating loop that's difficult to break. The gut irritation fuels body-wide inflammation, impacting various systems and organs, which in turn further damages the gut lining, exacerbating the initial problem. Pills and creams, while sometimes necessary for symptom relief, only manage the smoke, addressing the outward manifestations of the problem, but not the fire, the underlying root cause of the inflammation. To truly feel better, to experience lasting relief and genuine well-being, you need to calm this internal fire, to address the root cause of the inflammation, and restore balance within your body. The good news? There is hope, and there are effective strategies to combat this internal inflammation. You have the power to do this, to take control of your health and well-being. It starts with what you eat, with nourishing your body with the right foods. Your daily choices, the small decisions you make each day, are your most powerful tools in this journey towards healing and lasting wellness. To understand your symptoms, look inside your gut, a complex ecosystem of trillions of microbes. Your gut microbiome is unique and vital for your health, helping digest food, produce vitamins, and regulate immunity. When balanced, these microbes break down fiber, releasing anti-inflammatory compounds that nourish your body. But a poor diet, stress, or antibiotics can throw this ecosystem into dysbiosis, where harmful microbes take over. This imbalance leads to gas, bloating, and cramping after meals. More than discomfort, an unhealthy gut microbiome drives inflammation throughout your body. A weakened gut lining keeps your immune system on high alert, sending inflammatory signals everywhere. Healing your gut calms your whole system. Restoring balance in your inner ecosystem is the foundation for resolving many health complaints. It all starts with your gut. Your skin is a window into your gut health thanks to the gut-skin axis. When your gut is inflamed or out of balance, it often shows up as acne, eczema, or dullness. Inflammatory molecules from a leaky gut travel through your bloodstream, triggering skin flare-ups. Your skin's own microbiome is influenced by your gut's bacteria. Imbalances inside can lead to breakouts outside. No cream can fix what starts in your digestive tract. Focusing on gut health addresses a primary driver of skin inflammation. Calm your gut, and your skin can heal from within. The result? A clearer, more radiant complexion that no expensive skincare routine can match. The gut-brain axis is a two-way superhighway linking your digestion to your mood and mental clarity. Your gut microbes produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, key for happiness and motivation. When your microbiome is out of balance, these brain chemicals drop, leaving you foggy and unmotivated. Inflammation from the gut can even cross into your brain, causing neuroinflammation. This slows your thinking, clouds your memory, and drags down your mood. That brain fog is a real physical response to gut health. Improving your gut soothes your brain, boosts mood, and restores clarity. Nurturing your inner ecosystem is one of the most powerful ways to reclaim your energy. Lift the fog by healing your gut. Your mind will thank you. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden, a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. It's a complex community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms, all playing a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Just like a garden needs the right conditions to thrive, your gut microbiome needs the right nourishment to flourish. And fiber is the fertilizer that helps it thrive. It's the essential food source that fuels the beneficial bacteria in your gut, allowing them to grow, multiply, and perform their vital functions. Without enough fiber, these good bacteria can starve, leading to an imbalance in your gut microbiome and potentially impacting your health. Fiber passes undigested to your large intestine because your body doesn't have the enzymes to break it down. This is where the magic happens. It's where gut bacteria feast and multiply, happily consuming the fiber you've provided. This process of fermentation produces a variety of beneficial compounds that have a positive impact on your health. Different fibers feed different microbes, creating a diverse and balanced gut ecosystem. Each type of fiber has a unique structure and composition, which means it's preferred by different types of bacteria. So variety is key. The more diverse your fiber intake, the more diverse your gut microbiome will be, and the healthier you'll be overall. Soluble fiber from oats, apples, beans, and other sources forms a gel that slows digestion, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This can be particularly beneficial for weight management and preventing energy crashes. Insoluble fiber from whole grains, nuts, veggies keeps you regular, promoting healthy bowel movements and preventing constipation. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and helping to eliminate waste products from your body. As microbes digest fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate, which strengthen your gut lining and fight inflammation throughout your body. These fatty acids act as a fuel source for the cells lining your colon, helping to maintain the integrity of your gut barrier and prevent harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream. These compounds benefit your skin, brain, and overall health, influencing everything from your mood and energy levels to your immune function and risk of chronic disease. Increasing fiber is a simple, profound change you can make to improve your gut health and overall well-being, but start slow if you're not used to it. Introducing too much fiber too quickly can lead to digestive discomfort such as bloating and gas. Add flaxseed to breakfast for an easy boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Swap white bread for wholemeal, choosing whole grain options whenever possible. Fill half your plate with veggies at every meal to increase your fiber intake and nutrient diversity. Each plant food feeds a different microbe family, contributing to a more diverse and resilient gut microbiome. Aim for diversity in your diet, incorporating a wide variety of plant-based foods into your meals. Eating a wide range of plants is the best way to build a resilient gut, capable of withstanding challenges and supporting your overall health. Your inner garden will flourish, and you'll reap the rewards of a healthy gut microbiome. While fiber feeds your gut bacteria, fermented foods introduce new, beneficial microbes. Fermentation uses bacteria and yeasts to transform foods, creating probiotics that support your gut. You don't need supplements. Traditional foods like live yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are packed with helpful bacteria. These foods not only add microbes but also make nutrients more accessible and food easier to digest. Even small, regular servings can make a big difference. Try yogurt for breakfast, sauerkraut with lunch, or a glass of kefir as a snack. Consistency is key. Little and often is better than a lot at once. By enjoying these foods daily, you support a diverse, resilient gut. It's a delicious way to boost your health from within. Hydration is a fundamental pillar of digestive health and clear skin. Every cell needs water, and your gut relies on it to break down food and move waste. Without enough water, digestion slows, leading to bloating and constipation. Fiber needs water to work, otherwise it can worsen bloating. Hydration keeps your gut moving and prevents gas buildup. Your skin also depends on water. Dehydration leaves it dull and dry. Water helps flush toxins, reducing breakouts and supporting a healthy glow. Sip water throughout the day. Don't chug it all at once. Carry a bottle as a reminder and add lemon or mint for flavor if you like. Herbal teas count too. This simple habit can transform your energy, digestion, and skin. We've explored how gut, skin, and brain health are deeply connected. Bloating, skin issues, and brain fog often share a root cause: inflammation and a struggling gut microbiome. Tools like fiber, fermented foods, and hydration can help you restore balance. Real change comes from small, consistent habits, not overhauling everything at once. Pick one simple action, add seeds to breakfast, swap a sugary drink for kombucha, or start your day with a glass of water. Focus on progress, not perfection. Try your chosen habit daily for a week and notice the changes in your digestion, energy, or skin. One daily act of kindness to your gut can spark a profound transformation. Your journey to better health starts with a single step. Let today be that step.